Hi there, it's Tom from Foam Data Services. Now you're probably wondering why I'm dressed in full tactical regalia like some sort of lunatic. Well, it is to honour today's test subject. Yes, it is the Nerf N-Strike Vulcan. The heaviest Nerf blaster produced to date. This beast uses D batteries. It's a great favourite with cosmetic modders and people who like shock and awe, although it's not necessarily the most tactically efficient blaster, as anyone who's used one in a war will know. It's very awkward, cumbersome, the grip is terrible, and it has a 25 round belt, which is okay, but obviously you need to make it longer to be more useful. And you know, I kind of like it. It's a good looking blaster, but the range is pretty terrible. So I'm going to put this over the chronograph today. We're going to see what sort of figures it gets. Now, there is a new version of this coming out. Those of you who are unaware of this, they have got a listing on argos.co.uk for a Nerf Elite Vulcan, which just appears to be this shell with the late belt, which is the half cutaway belt, in exactly the same format as this. So it's not going to be anything other than a repaint, I'm afraid, the Nerf Elite Vulcan from what we can tell so far. I hope to be proved wrong, but I very, very much doubt it. So, without further ado, we're going to put the Nerf Vulcan over the chronograph. Right, that's 2 belts. Now my Vulcan doesn't usually skip, and so I'm going to have to just load a few more because I've got a couple that didn't read on the chrono. Okay, so I've shot the 50 rounds, and this Vulcan is completely stock. Just to clarify, I haven't done anything to it. I've got to drill out the dart pegs at some point so that I can use lightweight Stefan darts, and hopefully that should give us an improvement. We'll see whether it does in another test. Now, this is using the Elite darts from my Rapid Strike test that I did a couple of weeks ago. Those have only been fired 1.5 times each. I didn't have time to go out to the store and go and pick up some more Elite darts. And now let's look at the results for the Nerf Vulcan.
Okay, so let's review the results for the Nerf N-Strike Vulcan. Now we've got a high of 54, low of 32, average of 48 feet per second, extreme spread of 22, standard deviation of 4%.